This literally just blows my mind. Individuals can turn literally anything into earrings. For example, pom-poms, broken teacups, buttons, feathers, dried up flowers, and so much more. So today I want to challenge this theory by teaching you how to turn this mini Slinky that I found inside of a geocache into earrings. And you should know, I am not going into this challenge as a newbie. I've been making and selling earrings now for about a year, and I'm gonna teach you some of my tricks.
Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe. It helps me a lot.
So I would like to pre-apologize if this video is just a little bit choppy in terms of video quality, because I filmed most of this on my camera phone, and guess what? I just got a new camera. So huge video quality difference.
So here's my concept sketch. My plan is to take apart the Slinkies, make little circles, and then have leather behind it with different patterns in between.
Because you can make earrings out of literally anything, I usually like to specialize my earrings. For example, some of them I make of recycling material, some I make waterproof. Lots of them I make sure that they are made of hyperallergenic earrings, so that way no one has allergic reactions. And just little things like that, like you can specialize your earrings depending on what you're going for. But today, we are just going to keep it simple. Based on my fun designs, we're going to take the jewelry pillar and clip the Slinky to make little circles. Psst, I've added a supply list down below.
If you need it.
You're a sharp cookie if you're already worried about cutting yourself on the edge of the circle. Me too. Gee. So I'm gonna take this jewelry glue to cover up the sharp edges. You can sand it if you want to, but it's so thin, I'm worried about breaking my Slinky, so I'm not gonna do that. Let's cut to the chase. Hey! Next, we're going to cut some fun designs on leather. Once you have the leather you like, you can cut out your designs using an X-Acto knife or scissors. But I'm gonna cheat and put my Cricut to work because I'm fancy like that. How's the cutting going, Bob?
Painfully slow. If you would like any of my Cricut designs, you can have them free on my website, linked down below.
I love leather earrings because they are so light and won't pull on your ears. But when choosing leather earrings, be careful. If you get the fake leathery kind with fluff like I did, it will fluff out and kind of wreck the earring design.
So yes, anything can be earrings, but it might not be perfect, and that's okay. The best part is you've learned, and you can do research and try different things to try to get better.
I'm not really happy with this. Yeah, I need real leather. This is not working, even though it's cheaper. Guess what? All that's left for us to do is to put it together.
Okay, so the trick here is you're gonna take your little loop, you're gonna put through your leather, ta-da, whee! And then on the rough side that you don't want people to see behind your earring, it's actually quite soft. It feels like a warm blanket. You're gonna add your hook, and then on this side, you wanna place your beautiful hoop. Ta-da! This is just another example of non-art supplies being used as art supplies. Too cool. Oh, these are just too cute. Look at them. I love them so much. Oh.
All of a sudden, not only did you take a random item and turn it into earrings, but you are one stylish and fancy creator. Look at you go. Seriously, look at you go. If you like this video, you might like this video where I tried to put toys inside of a rock tumbler. Don't worry, everything inside this video was recycled. Subscribe so you don't miss any fun crafting videos.